Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Easter decorate with me. In this video you will see all the Easter decorating and decor. I will not be cleaning in this video just because I've already cleaned on this day. If you follow my channel all the way through these next couple of weeks, you will see that I am wearing the same outfit, and that's because I film multiple videos on the same day. So I won't be cleaning in this video just because I did a deep clean right before I filmed this video.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
Hey y'all, so I wanted to show you some things that I found at Goodwill, and all together they were like $2, maybe $3. I think it was $3 all together. Okay, this is the first thing. I found this vase, and I plan on like painting it because I want it to just be a solid color, but I think right now I'm just gonna let it be clear, like use it as clear first and then paint it. So yeah, so this was $1.50, and then this other one I was gonna paint it, and my mom was like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, like you should keep it that color. So I'm just gonna keep it the color. This is the other one that I found, and look at the details in it. So we're gonna use this especially for springtime, like these are all the spring colors. So she was just thinking you should use this for springtime since it has all the spring colors, and then if you want to paint it. But I think I may just keep it for right now. So this was the other thing that I found at Goodwill. And then the other two things that I found, they were not at Goodwill. I paid regular price for these, and they came from Walmart. So I found these right here, and they're from Walmart. I want to say they were like $3 something. So I got 3 of those, and then I got these yellow flowers. I got these from Walmart as well. There we go. So I got these from Walmart as well. They were like $3 something each as well, but and there's 3 of those. I don't know if I said that or not, but I got 3 of them. They're just like twisted up because I went ahead and tried them where I think I'm gonna put them. So I'm excited about using these. I've tried real flowers, y'all, and it's like I don't have a green thumb, so nothing stays alive. So I need to keep it fake because nothing is working for me. So I plan on using these vases up here on my the fireplace and on the mantle, one on one side and then one on the other side with the flowers. I think that'd be really cute. If not, I can use one here and then use the other one on the dining room table whenever I do that video. But I'm hoping that it'll work up here because I think that'd be really cute to have like 2 different sets of flowers up there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and like try that out.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't.
So I ended up moving this piece of flower just because I wanted to break up the 2 green pieces together, and I do like how it turned out.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anybody who may be new to visiting my channel. My name is Courtney. I am a full-time teacher and I do YouTube on the side as a hobby. I like to do decorating videos, clean with me videos, any type of homemaking videos, and I also do cleaning and reset videos and all types of things in my classroom as well. So if you think you will like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. I actually have some really good ones coming up here soon, so make sure you don't miss out on that. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always supporting my channel, and I just appreciate you guys so much.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So while I'm decorating this part, I'm going to read a little Bible verse, and it's mostly about the Easter story. Why do you look for the living among the dead? He is not here. He has risen. This is Luke 24, verse 6.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
So make sure you leave comments down below. Tell me what you think about what I've done, if I should change anything, just anything. I'm open to any ideas. I did find something that I wanted to change up, and I may do that the next time I do a cleaning video. I'm gonna change up something at the top of the next shelf over, which you'll see. It just kind of looks more farmhousey to me, and so I'm not really going off that vibe anymore, and I kind of wanted to just change it to something more, you know, modern. But the thing is that I couldn't find anything else, and then I remembered that I had these clear vases, and so I'm gonna end up changing that out soon.
Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. Or don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
So I just want to check in on you guys, just, you know, see how you're doing. You can tell me your highs, tell me your lows. My high for this week was that it is spring break, and we got to have a whole week off, and it was so nice. It was so nice to just be relaxing, and I do like it. But I also like being a teacher, but it's also great to be like on a break. But I will say this, I did start missing my students, and I was like, man, I actually kind of miss them. Like, you know, them calling my name and asking me 20,000 questions time they walk in the door, and just their funny personality. And so anyways, I was starting to miss them, but again, this break was really nice. So tell me something high that you have going on. And my low for this week is that my cousin passed away. I think he passed away on Monday, and so it was either Monday or Tuesday. We just celebrated his mother's life. She was the one that passed, that was 99 and a half years old, and so it was just all of a sudden. But anyways, that's my low for this week. So again, let me know what your highs are and what your lows are.
I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind.
actually filmed this a couple of weeks ago, and these are just cinnamon rolls that are shaped into bunnies. And so I cut each one and I try to define the bunny ears, and I should have done a little bit more, like, you know, pulling them apart, because once they start to rise, they kind of just came back together. So if you do this will be something kind of fun for your kids. You can add in more things onto the icing, but because I was just making this for my parents, we just put icing on it and call it a day.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep.
Now I'm just showing you the disaster that was left behind from all the decorating. And this part of the video, I'll just be cleaning up everything and packing away all the Easter stuff that I didn't use. And also I'll be adding in the blankets that go on top of the furniture.
All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you, of you, of you, of you, of you, of you, of you. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, but I cannot. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, you know. So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom.
So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my upcoming videos. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Remember to leave a high or low or any suggestions that you may have about the decorating. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Of you.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on